Hello and welcome back everyone to Immigration Talk Show. I'm so glad that you're here today because today we are going to answer one of the biggest questions when it comes to the H1B visa, and that is, am I eligible? So whether you are thinking about applying or just curious about your option, I think understanding the eligibility criteria is a key. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and let's dive in. What is H1B visa? It's a non-immigrant work visa that allows US employers to hire foreign nationals to fill jobs in what's called the specialty occupation. Well, these are roles that need specific skills and expertise. Usually you will need a degree or lots of experience in your field. Moving ahead with the second part, that is eligibility criteria. So what do you actually need to qualify for an H1B visa? Let's see. Firstly, educational requirements. So friends, the basic rule is that you need at least a bachelor's degree or higher in a field that's related to the job you're applying for. For example, if you want to be a software engineer, then you'll need a degree in computer science, engineering, or something similar. But wait, what if you don't have a degree? Then also don't worry, there's still a hope. If you have got lots of work experience, it might count as a substitute. 3 years of work experience is equal to 1 year of college education. So with enough experience, you could still qualify. And that's something really amazing. Moving ahead with specialty occupation. Next up, your job itself has to be classified as specialty occupation. This means the work requires specialized knowledge that only someone with your education and your experience can do. Think jobs in IT, engineering, healthcare, or finance. But you know what? Here's a catch. That your employer has to show that they can't hire a US worker to do the job because it requires your specific skills. And there's another very important thing, that you can't apply for the H1B visa on your own. You need a US employer to sponsor you. This means they have to submit the paperwork on your behalf and prove that they need you for the job. In simple terms, the company is committing to hiring you and backing you up throughout the visa process. And if we talk about work authorization cap, then you'll need to know about the H1B visa cap. There are so many visas available each year, 65,000 for regular applicants and 20,000 for those with advanced degrees from US universities. But friends, make sure to keep that in mind because it means there's a bit of competition. So if you have earned a master's degree or higher from a US institution, then good news, you are eligible for the advanced degree cap, which gives you a better shot at getting selected. There are 20,000 visas which are reserved just for people with a US master's degree or higher, and that's not bad, right? So here's a big question. But can your job qualify as a specialty occupation? Let's take a look at some examples of jobs that usually qualify as specialty occupation. Firstly, a software developer with a degree in computer science, then a civil engineer with an engineering degree, and a financial analyst with a degree in finance or accounting. So if your job doesn't fit one of these categories, then don't worry. Your employer just needs to prove that the role requires highly specialized knowledge. So it's not the end of the road, friends. Well, that's all for today's episode, friend. We hope this helped you figure out if you are eligible for the H1B visa or not. But remember, understanding eligibility is just one step. There are more to go. And in our next video, we are going to dive into how to find an employer willing to sponsor you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show. Also, if you have any questions, then put up in the comment section and we will definitely try our best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.